Hello mga ka-lurky, good afternoon and it's break time and nandito po kami ni Kep sa baba. Bumibili po kami ng mga kakanin because we love supporting our Filipino product, lalo na pag yung turon, suman at saka hot cake. And ito po, hindi po napigilan ni Keps na magtanong kung magkano po kasi she is hungry. See? Tingnan mo. Hindi napigilan ni Keps kumuha ng hot cake. And it's affordable price. Then it's also delicious. And nag-add pa si Keps ng one more. Yung turon. Kasi gusto rin niya yung turon. At saka mabinta rin yung turon ni Mother. At saka meron din tayong another, what is that? Another turon but different flavor. Also ice candy. Tingnan mo na turon ni Mother yung ice candy. And you know what? We love supporting Filipino product and we also love supporting these women. So ayan po. So thank you for watching my video and wala na po ako maisip na content kundi si Keps na lang po ang iko-content ko. Thank you, ka-lurky!